Okay, let's quickly recap week 8, look ahead to week 9. So I've graded some of the discussions. There's quite a few of you that didn't get in this week. I know it was a holiday weekend, maybe a time with family, but let's start getting in there. This class is winding down. We have a couple weeks left, so let's get caught up. The same's going to go for the leadership, personal issues, and rules of law assignment. There's a few that got that in. I'm going to work on grading those today and tomorrow, but there's quite a few of you that didn't get those in. Again, I know it was a holiday weekend, and a lot of you might have been spending time with family, but let's get caught up. We only have a couple weeks left in class, so let's get those in. As for the Chapter 12 quiz, looks like the majority of you got that in, but there's a few of you too that need to get caught up. So we're coming down to the end, so let's get caught up on these assignments, and I should be sending you out emails tonight if you're behind in the class on a lot of work, and it'll give you a list of what to work off to get caught up. So let's get that working. All right, so week 9. So it's our 9th week of CRJ 310 Law Enforcement Operations and Management. We're going to be going over problems that law enforcement faces in dealing with such issues as mental illness, domestic violence, immigrants, and human trafficking. So you're going to read from chapter 13 of your textbook, and you're going to watch the week 9 lecture. For our discussion, we're going to go over and explain the nature and extent of youth crime and violence, what means are being used by the police for addressing school violence, bullying, gun violence, disorderly conduct in public places, and underage drinking. Select one of these 4 types of problems involving young offenders and determine the key challenges that police officers face when trying to respond to this problem. So, suggest 2 strategies that police officers could utilize to reduce the problems involving young offenders. And please be sure to respond to at least one of your classmates. You also have a chance to look ahead, prepare for your assignment that's due next week in week 10. And then lastly, you have your week 13 quiz, which consists of 35 multiple choice and true-false questions. Each are worth a point each. And it covers the material in chapter 13 of the Police in America Challenges and Best Practices. So this test has a 2-hour limit, and it can be saved. And there are also multiple attempts allowed. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at any time. You can call me, text me, email me, and please let's work on getting caught up. Okay? So good luck to all you in week 9.